Hey guys, this is Brian here. Hope you're doing well today. Um, Today I'd like to show you how to change a chain on your chainsaw. Um, I need to put a new one on mine. This one's wore out. Hit a rock with it and can't sharpen it anymore. Uh, so I'm going to put a new one on it and I will show you how to do it. First thing you got to do is take these two nuts loose. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Then you're going to want to take some tension off your adjuster. You see the bar falls down there. Alright, then you're going to take these nuts all the way off. You have to take these off to take the bar off and put your new chain on. I apologize, I've got a cold. Not feeling the greatest in the world. This is a fairly simple job, but you know, some people are not sure how to do it, so I thought I would show you. That didn't sound very good, did it? Okay, you're going to take your cover off. Comes right off. And you're going to take your bar, slide your bar back like that. You don't always have to take your bar off, sometimes you can slip it off, but not today. Yeah, there you go. And there's the old chain. I'll do that. During this process, you want to take and check your bar. I'm feeling a little bit of a burr there. It makes it hard to for the bar to go through your wood. You get a little bit of a bevel on the edges here. And I'm gonna have to buy me a new bar before long because this one's getting pretty rough, rougher than I thought. But anyway, let's see if we can get this baby open here. I like running full chisel. They seem to last a little better for some reason. Don't know why. Make sure you have no kinks. Good luck getting that out. All right. Make sure you put it back on your bar correctly. Going in the right direction. Alrighty, and you just put it back together. We'll just do it this way. This is by and far not my best video. That's what was wrong. Didn't take enough tension off of the adjuster. That's what was wrong. Okay, don't tighten it up all the way just yet. You want to take 2 fingers, pull up on the end of your bar like that, then tighten it up. And that's all there is to it, people.